So magandang araw kabola, sa video na ito, puro import ang ating pong pag-uusapan kabola. Kasi interesting na rumor, interesting na news kabola. Converge nakapili na po ng import. So yan yung mga maganda pong pag-uusapan po ngayon. So mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Siguro start na lang natin dito po sa, in a way po, malungkot ba? Medyo malungkot. Kasi nga po magre-retiro na po si Allen Durham. 36 pa lang siya, in a way, bata pa yan kabola. At nakita naman natin yung laruan niya sa PBA, is still a top 8 imports quality kabola. So kaya pa niya Pero yun nga lang kabola, sabi dito, and explain kung bakit, gusto daw po talaga ni Durham na magkaroon pa po ng more time with his children kabola. And due to that, Durham now will decide kabola na siya po yung magre-retiro na. In short, hindi na po siya maglalaro ng international basketball. I think yun yung more of ginagawa niya dito kasi siguro he can still play naman siguro po, di ba? Semi-pro basketball sa kanila. Pero overall, Durham, he is a legend. He is the rival of Brownlee, although with the matchup again of RHJ and Brownlee in the finals kabola, medyo tumatapat na rin yung rivalry po na yun. Pero in Durham, Brownlee is a legendary import rivalry kabola. Although it was lopsided, of course, 4-0 in the advantage po ni Brownlee, sobrang layo, kabola. Pero overall, still, Durham will be remembered as a humble and a monstrous import, kabola. Unfortunately, he failed to win an MVP because of Justin, the GOAT import, Brownlee. Comments po muna tayo ng mga fans. Freddy Dinglasan, isa panalo pa lang, kryptonite na kayo, sabi niya kabola. Then ako, Vic Manuel at Jeron Teng at Simon Manning, sabi naman niya dito kabola. Ito, I think related pa rin po dun sa Tolentino to San Miguel trade rumor. Eduardo Victor, si Stan Flores, Bearfield for SMB. Tayo, Vic and Ciso Teng at Ross kapalitan. Coach, palitan na rin kahit sino, wag lang si Galent, sabi niya kabola. So talagang gustong-gusto niya mapalitan na si Coach George. Flores and Arvin for Teng, Lassiter and Ciso, Bronjal Cruz, sabi niya dito kabola. Or you mean isa kina Teng, Lassiter and Ciso, Bronjal Cruz? Grabe naman yun kabola, sobrang lopsided naman yan. Kahit nga actually yung Teng, Lassiter and Ciso, Bronjal Cruz, kahit 5 sila kabola, I still see it as lopsided. Gilbert Teda, SMB get Will Navarro and Arvin Tolentino for Jeron Teng, Simon Enciso, Terence Romeo and Vic Manuel plus 2025 first round pick siguro to kabola. Medyo lumapit kabola, pero I still think that SMB clearly wins that. Navarro and Tolentino for that package clearly wins pa rin po sa akin ang San Miguel Beermen po sa trade na yan. Napag-usapan natin ang import choice po kabola ng Converge, They chose po Chick Jalo as their import. An NBA veteran. Legit to kabola, NBA veteran talaga to. Kasi sobrang taas tumalon nito kabola, kaya nabigyan talaga ng opportunity. Number 35 pick po siya kabola ng 2016 NBA draft. And meron siyang 183 games kabola, under his belt in the NBA. So sobrang dami. Legit talaga to kabola na NBA veteran. Unfortunately, I do not think the fit is really good. Kasi Jalo is an inside operator. Arana, their main big man, is also an inside operator. And again, in modern basketball kabola, hindi na po ito madaling ipanalo yung magkakaroon ng dalawang dominant na inside operator. Yan yung issue ngayon with this choice. And also, Jalo is also not really an elite defensive player. He is also not really an even above average na passer. So, sa akin, questionable yung decision in choosing Jalo. Ikaw ba kabola, tama mo decision ng Converge dito? Comment lang po sa baba.